Tuhod.
Ay, baliktad pala yun sa
Sige, okay lang. Push nyo yung harap para dito sa cups, mababanat. Up. Heels up. 6, 7, 8, 9. Higher up. Push your belly. Tuck your belly. Ano pala? 12, 13, 14, 15. Keep doing. Interlace your finger. Face up. Turn up. Higher. Heels down. Bend to the left.
cross pa na legs.
Yeah. Come up. Inhale, exhale, Yana. Exhale, bend to the right. Inhale up. Bend a little backward. Don't push yourself. Inhale up. Exhale, hands down. Yes. Okay. Now let's do good morning. Hands on the temple. You have to bend your knees, huh? Don't do like this. It will hurt your back. So we have to bend the knees. Follow me. 1. Push your butt. 2. 3. 4. Let's go faster. 5. 6. 7. Ilang? 8. Take your time. 9. 10. Let's do 20. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. Last 2. Last 18. Last 2. 19. 20. Stay down. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Up. You have to push yourself. Kending-kending lang kayo. Wala kayong walang magagawa yan. Okay?
Tira.
Open your legs. Hands on the shoulder lever. Turn to the left. Right shoulder, and the right hand on your shoulder. Okay. Turn. Yes. No, turn mo siya. Look at me if you can. Like I'm looking else. Yes. Your limit. Sige pa. Yan yung pang sa shoulder. Open your left finger. Okay. Let's turn. Yoga to man. Stretching the yoga. Turn to the other side. Yes. You see your shoulders are stretching out. Complete. Let's do shoulder rotation. Thumb inside. Okay. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Reverse. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. All fingertips on the shoulder level. Okay. You have to put your elbow together, and then let's rotate for 5 times forward, 5 times backward. 1. Your shoulder level should move. See. 2, 3. Yes, that's all shoulder stays. 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
Ang dami niya tunog.
Yeah, see? You can do that as much as you can to remove those sounds on your shoulder. Okay? Now, let's come backward. Okay? Left hands on your left hips. Raise your left feet up. Higher as you can. Fold it. Take it with your right hand. Ay, wala na.
Right.
Ay, and then, straighten it. Bye. Slowly come down. Up, cranes. Ganun mo na lang. Kaya mo lang para magkaroon ka ng unti-unting balance. Cranes, Elsie. Fold it. Take it with your left hand. Kahit hindi mo mabanat, ganun mo lang siya ng hanggang kaya mo. Yan, okay lang yan. Yung mga nagsisimula ganyan. Okay. Slowly come down. Let's go to the airplane pose. Raise your left hand. Fold your right feet. Hold your ankle with your right hand. Slowly bend like a bird. Slowly come up. And down. Pag hindi mo kaya, hindi naman mo lang yung tao. Place Elsie. Right hand up. Fold your left feet. Hold your ankle. Bend forward. Slow. Bend forward. Slow. Slowly come up. Okay, now let's do some squatting. Open your legs. Toes forward. Outside. Alam niyo kung bakit para yung ano natin mabend na maayos. Push your butt ha. Don't do this. Push your butt. Hands up on your temple. Let's go down. 1. Slowly. 2. Don't force yourself. 3. Yeah. Doing correct. 4. 5. Let's pump up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Stay down. Stay down. 9, 10. Come up slowly. Okay. If your heels alternately. Yeah. Feel all the difference. Diba?
Maganda yung squatting.
Oh, yeah. And it will make your butt bigger.
Yes, yes. Yeah, yan yung nahanap namin.
Now let's twist our hips. 1, hips ha, not the body. 2, only hips. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Step backward. Let's do something. Your right hand goes to your right side. Okay? Let's do 1, 3, 4. Yeah, turn your body. 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Na lahat ng kasusunod.
Yeah. Kasi naglalakad lang kayo, wala kayong ano, flexibility. Kaya hindi natin. No. Okay. Hands on the waist level. Raise the right leg up. Twist it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Balance yourself. Balance. Balance on the left leg. Hold your knees. Keep pushing on your chest. If you can push, 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 try to put your knees or chin. Try to put your chin or nose on your knees. Do it, Elsie. 1, 2, and 3. Come up, straighten your body, slowly come down. Change. Raise your left leg. Hands on your knees. Yes. Huwag mong pipilitin mag-bend. Masisira yung lumbar mo. Okay, atarik. Push it up. Up, up to the chest. Up to your limit. Huwag mong pipilitin. Mahirap to. Kasi kailangan mo i-diretso yung katawan. Chin or nose on your knees. Bend mo lang yung ano mo, ulo mo. Bend mo lang para ma-bend yung leg mo. Uy! Slowly come down. Okay, let's do knee touching 41 times. Ah, 1, yeah, 2, 3, 4, 5, slowly, yeah, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay? Okay lang. Can you rotate your ankles? 1 mile. Kaya lang yun, dapat sa red one yun. Wait lang. Iba eh. Para ma. 9, 10, 11. Change. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yoga finish. 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Tapos sa ano ka pa? Iyan ang ipag-ipag-laro ko, nararamdaman mo ko. Iyan ano, wala ka sa bagsak. Nagkamali yung ano, kamali yung pagkakangan. Mangit lang yun ah, pagkaroon ko. Nag-bagsak. Kasi isa malaki yung ano. Stop. Oo. Para mawala yung sakit. Okay, let's do back kick. Like this, Imelda. Your hips should touch your butt, right? Maganda sa dito. 1, 2, yan. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay? 41, 21. Okay. Let's do some shoulder stretching. And then look up. When you spread your hands, you have to look up to make our height, upper body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5 more, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yep. Now let's do some push up. Yes, push up.
Push up.
No, I will not do. Let's do some cobra pose. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is good for our lower back. That pose. Personally, that pose, shoulder natin sa lahat. Para ma-relax. The stretch. Okay, let's go again. Cobra pose. Back pose. Another one, last one. Let's go. Push yourself, ladies, but to your limit. Come back. Now, go your head down to relax our lower part. Feel the relaxation? Those are the differences. Slow move and stretch. Come up slowly. Slowly put your first leg up. Para sa pagtayo kasi balance. 1, 2. We cannot stand without balance, correct? Let's go down. Do some jumping jacks. Yan ang gagawin nyo para maano yung matagtak kayo. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You stop. I will get it. 7, 8, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40.
Oh!
1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay lang ang kinaya.
Kaya niyo pa? Okay, let's do something else. Para maano. Wait. Step down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go faster. Yeah. Do as much as you can. Pigit eh, hindi ko na kaya. Para lang kayo lakad niya. Stop.